What's up, everybody? Today we're giving the biggest update we have on our 6.0 Powerstroke in a long time. But first, smash that like button, leave those comments down below, and if you like hearing more sounds like this, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, as you can tell from that opening clip, the 6.0 Powerstroke is officially running again. That's right. The engine's in there, things are put back together. We have one issue. So before we get to the issue, we're gonna talk about the good. The truck sounds great, it's running strong. A lot of maintenance items have been done. We got a transmission service, both front and rear diff services, fuel filters, air filter, coolant filter, which is a joke. And all in all, the truck is running really, really well. No major issues as of this point. So super excited about all of that. And again, did I say it sounds great? I don't have any videos of it revving up yet, but I gotta tell you, it screams it's awesome. I love it. I know it's been a while since the truck's been out, but I gotta tell you guys, top-notch work from the guys over there, and I do love them for that. But we're having an issue. Now, I talked with the guys over there because I've actually had this issue once before. When the first time I took the truck apart to do an oil cooler, when I knew nothing about these trucks, and I probably didn't even need an oil cooler, but I did one anyway because I was scared. But when it went back together, it just didn't seem to run right. It seemed like something was holding it back. It didn't boost correctly. It wouldn't build a lot of boost. Then over time, slowly, it started driving better. It started boosting better again. And eventually, all of my prior performance had returned. It took like a month. Some people have had these on the early trucks that for some reason when they've been taken apart, and I think I had it apart like 5 days or something that first time, and it took forever, but for some reason something happens, it seems, in some of these trucks. I don't know if it's getting air out of the VGT system, which is part of my theory actually. The shop commands the VGT open and closed. It moves, it changes sound, it does that part really well. But when he's driving, it's only making like 10 pounds of boost. So this isn't a super common issue, but I have heard of it. So this isn't a super common issue, but I have heard of it before, and I've personally experienced it once. Now, the other times I had the truck apart, I never had this again. I don't know why, I have no explanation. So he did work on some more diagnostic stuff. He does think the mass airflow is giving some weird readings, and it shouldn't be. So he's gonna try to clean it next week. We are hoping to have it back to me. If we didn't have this issue, I'd actually have the truck right now. But he doesn't want to give a truck back with the project. We talked about swapping turbos. He knows I'll do my own turbo, but he wants to look into this a little more. And he wants to get some drive time behind it. It's only boosting to about 10 PSI. So that's kind of an issue. But the truck is running, just in case you forgot. Here it is again. So we talked, I let him know what my experience has been with this issue. He did some more diagnostic. We're gonna clean, he's gonna clean the mass airflow. We will possibly replace it if it doesn't improve. So we're just gonna see what happens. This isn't obviously super fun, but the project is almost done. Probably what'll happen afterwards, if it's still having a hard time, I'll probably take the truck and replace the turbo, and then we'll kind of start working on something after that when I replace it. I don't know that it is the turbo. It has been sitting a little bit. It had plenty of oil, so that shouldn't be an issue, but we are just kind of trying to figure out this last issue. Now, from the truck sitting so long, there's been some goofy issues, like my rear brake, or not brake lights, reverse lights were just engaged, so he had to find wherever that short was and fix that. The ABS light was on. My brake booster or brake controller wasn't working. It was saying no brakes, so that's always startling. He's had to put in a hydro boost, master cylinder. It's required some nonsense. Oh, front brake calipers were put on, there's that too. So it's gotten some nonsense that had to happen to address these things, and it sucks, but it is kind of part of what happens when a project has been ongoing for so long. But the major takeaway, guys, is the truck is really pretty much done at this point. We'll sort this issue out. It's kind of a downer that we're having it in the first place, but we will sort it out. It won't be a big deal. I almost wonder if it could be a PCM issue. That would be upsetting because all my tunes are written on that one. Anyway, the takeaway here though is that the truck's getting ready to come back, guys. I can't wait. I should have it this week. Tuesday I'll probably go check it out. Like I said, once this issue's taken care of, Greg does want to get some driving time behind it, but we'll see. But we'll definitely see it next week. And in the scheme of things, everything's running pretty good. It does sound amazing, especially when that turbo kicks in. It is screaming. But anyway, I wanted to shoot this quick video, get you guys up to date on where we're at. I know everyone's excited. We do have towing reviews coming out for this, but this news kind of trumped everything. The fact that the truck is pretty much done. I wanted you guys to see it first here before I get to my other videos. So stay tuned, guys. The truck is almost back. And again, we're gonna end with one more clip of it, but if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, drop those comments down below. I'll see you in the next upload.